Let's verify the trigonometric identity that 1 minus cosine squared theta times 1 plus cotangent squared theta equals 1. First, let's recall that cotangent squared theta can be written as cosine squared theta over sine squared theta. Let's substitute this into our original expression. We now have 1 minus cosine squared theta times the quantity 1 plus cosine squared theta over sine squared theta. Let's find a common denominator in the second factor. To do this, we multiply the 1 by sine squared theta over sine squared theta, which equals 1. This gives us sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta all over sine squared theta. Now, recall another important trigonometric identity. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Using this identity, we can simplify our expression. The numerator becomes just 1, giving us 1 minus cosine squared theta times 1 over sine squared theta. Now, let's distribute the first factor. This gives us 1 over sine squared theta minus cosine squared theta over sine squared theta. Let's combine these fractions. We get 1 minus cosine squared theta all over sine squared theta. Now, recall that 1 minus cosine squared theta equals sine squared theta. Using this identity, our expression becomes sine squared theta over sine squared theta, which equals 1. Therefore, we have verified that 1 minus cosine squared theta times 1 plus cotangent squared theta does indeed equal 1. This verification relied on three key identities: the definition of cotangent squared theta, the Pythagorean identity for sine and cosine, and the relationship between sine squared and cosine squared.